Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an online course with Teachable step by step clearly. To create an online course with Teachable, start by signing up for a Teachable account. Visit the Teachable website and click on the Get Started button. Fill in your details to create your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Click on the Courses tab located in the left-hand menu. Now, click on the New Course button to begin creating your course. Next, choose a course title that clearly describes your content. Add a course subtitle for more detail if necessary. In the course description section, provide an engaging overview of what students can expect. After that, click Create Course to proceed to the course builder. On this page, you will find different tabs: Curriculum, Branding, and Pricing. Start with the Curriculum tab to outline your course structure. Click on Add section to create modules for your course. Within each section, click on Add Lecture to add specific lessons. Choose a format for your lectures, such as video, text, or quizzes. Upload your content or create new lectures directly in the course builder. Once your curriculum is set, navigate to the Branding tab. Here, you can customize your course appearance with a logo and colors. Upload a course image that resonates with your content. Move on to the Pricing tab to set your course price. Decide if your course will be free or paid, and adjust settings accordingly. If your course is paid, set the price and choose a payment plan if applicable. Next, head to the Settings tab to complete your course details. Set a course completion certificate if desired, and adjust other settings as needed. Preview your course to see how it will appear to students. Make any necessary adjustments or improvements based on the preview. Once satisfied, click on the Publish button to make your course live. Now, share your course link with potential students through social media or your website. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.